Hello, everyone, and welcome to our Quantum Explorations info session. I'm Jimena Madrigal Salazar, and I'm the Curriculum Manager here at the STEM Alliance. The STEM Alliance is a nonprofit dedicated to creating science, technology, engineering, and math learning opportunities for all, and has over 12 years of experience leading educational programs in and around Westchester County. I can tell you a little more about myself. I have a bachelor's degree in biomedical engineering, and I started my career in education as a Teach for Mexico fellow. And then I pursued a master's in education at Teachers College, Columbia University. Before working at the STEM Alliance, I taught STEM courses at institutions such as the Johns Hopkins Center for Talented Youth and developed STEM curriculum and professional development courses for the Mexican Department of Education. We are very excited to share with you more about our Quantum Exploration Summer Program. We developed this curriculum in coordination with Seth Cottrell, the principal investigator of CUNY's undergraduate Quantum Lab. I'll pass it along to our lead instructor, Matt Teisch.
Hi, I'm Matt Teisch. I'll be one of the instructors for the Quantum Exploration Summer Program. My professional background has taken a few different paths, but they all connect naturally to this course. I began my career as an engineer, later worked in finance in New York, and then spent the last 15 years teaching physics and engineering at Rye High School before recently retiring from teaching. Throughout my career, my focus has been helping students understand how science works, not just learning formulas, but developing intuition, problem-solving skills, and confidence with complex ideas. What excites me about this program is that quantum computing gives students a chance to explore one of the most important emerging areas of science while they're still in high school, in a supportive and hands-on environment. Why quantum computing? Quantum computing is getting quite a bit of attention now, and for good reason. Traditional computers store information as bits, zeros or ones. Quantum computers use qubits, which follow the laws of quantum physics and allow entirely new ways of solving problems. Researchers today are already exploring quantum approaches to drug discovery, material design, cybersecurity, and next-generation communication networks. But perhaps even more important than the technology itself is how students learn to think. Quantum physics challenges intuition. Students learn to reason using probability, models, and experimentation, skills that translate directly into engineering, computer science, data science, and many future careers we can't yet predict. This course isn't about becoming a quantum physicist. It's about exposure, helping students realize these powerful ideas are understandable and accessible to them. What will the students do? One of the strengths of this program is that students are actively engaged the entire time. Rather than treating quantum mechanics as mysterious or abstract, students explore ideas through experiments and collaborative activities. They can begin with probability and measurement, and then move into demonstrations that reveal real quantum behavior, including interference and how observation affects systems. Students work directly with polarized light experiments to prepare and measure quantum states and see how quantum information can actually be controlled. As the course progresses, they build intuition about qubits, entanglement, quantum encryption, and even the ideas behind quantum communication and teleportation. The goal is for students to experience quantum ideas, not just hear about them. Quantum Explorations is designed to be challenging, engaging, and welcoming to curious students. No prior background in quantum mechanics is required, just curiosity and a willingness to explore new ideas. Our hope is that students leave the program not only understanding the basics of quantum computing, but feeling excited and confident about engaging with technologies that will shape the future. We're really looking forward to working with this summer's students, and I hope you'll consider joining us. Thank you.
Thanks, Matt. Yes, the program will be very interactive for students. I'll talk a little bit more about some of the exciting opportunities students will experience. The first one is mentorship. Students will have the opportunity to meet, listen to, and interact with professionals working across a range of quantum-related industries, including academia and software development. Through these interactions, students will gain a clearer understanding of emerging career pathways in the field. The second element are the field trips. We are planning one field trip per week, which will allow the students to have exposure to different industries and career paths, to see quantum equipment in action, and will give opportunities to do networking and connection opportunities with professionals in the field. Here's all the logistical information for quantum explorations. The program includes 2 unique sessions. The sessions dates are July 6th through July 10th, and the second session is July 13th through July 17th. Students can register for one or both sessions. The program takes place at the beautiful School of the Holy Child in Rye, in their state-of-the-art classrooms. You can register on our website. Students must confirm they have taken at least one AP Math or AP Science class or equivalent. A transcript is not required in the registration process. You can reach out to us with any questions. Please don't hesitate to register. We have only a limited number of spots for this exciting opportunity.
Really looking forward to spending some time with you and exploring quantum ideas. See you soon. Thank you.
And we can wait to see you at the Quantum Exploration Summer Program.